Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to solve this problem on LeetCode set mismatch. So we are given a set of integers s, so we have nums array which original contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in S got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one number and loss of another number. You're given integer array nums representing the data status of this set after the error. Find the number that occurs twice and the number that's missing and returns them in the form of an array. So how do I approach this problem? So let's go through example one and explain the solution. So here we have this array. So basically, in the base case scenario, in correct version, we need to have this array instead of the first one, right? So this array, so what's the difference? So difference is we have duplicate number 2 and the number that's missing is 3, and this should be our answer. So because as the description of this problems is saying, we always need to have numbers from 1 to n. So what's n? N is length of our array, given array. So we can leverage this. So we can first calculate the length of array, and so if we know the n, we can calculate the sum of integers from 1 to n is this formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. So if we calculate the sum of this array, like 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, this is equal to 3, 5, 9. So we have 9 in here. So while calculating, we don't add this 2, so we get 7. 7. So, but as n is 4 here, we can calculate the actual sum should be 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So it's 10. So the missing number is the actual sum minus this is desired sum, and actual sum is 7. 10 so the missing number here is 3. So how do we know the duplicate number? So we keep adding these numbers to the set, and once if it's on the already on the set, that we know that it's duplicated. So have seen this number before, it's already on our set, so we can use hash map, the hash set here. So the time complexity of this solution is of n, because we are iterating the entire array, and space complexity is also of n, because we are using extra memory here by using set to find the duplicate. So let's code this solution. So what we are going to do first, so we need to find the n. So this is length of nums, and desired sum here is n multiplied by n plus 1. So this should be wrapped inside the braces. So, and this should be divided by 2. So this we have desired sum, and here we can initialize our set, and for num in nums, if, and we can calculate actual sum in this for loop. Actual sum is 0. So if num is in hash set already, so duplicate is num. Our duplicate is num. And we can just continue. Otherwise, if it's not in hash set, let's add this number to our hash set and add it to actual sum as well. And then what we are going to do, so our missing number here is desired sum minus actual sum. So this gives us the missing number, so the result should be a list of integers, so we can return first. Let's see which one to return. So we need to return duplicate one, duplicate, and missing none. So let's use this example for testing our solution. So we have n equal to 2 and desired sum, and this is 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2, so the desired sum is 3. We have hash set, actual sum is 0, num in num, so num is not in hash set yet, so we added the hash set. Actual sum will be 1. In the second iteration, 1 will be in hash set, and we have a duplicate number which is 1, and missing sum, so desired sum is 3, actual sum is 1, and if we subtract them, then we get 2. So this solution works. I'm ready to submit. Okay, we have a syntax problem here. Is in it's not English, it's Python, right? Okay, so we need to cast it to integer because actually instead of casting we can do integer division here and submit. Yeah, the solution works, and I explained time and space complexity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.